Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, VB. I hope you're having a lovely day. And today, guys, I finally got to do a red look. I've been wanting to do a red look and use this red lipstick for a long time now. And I got this look using the Makeup Revolution Monster Mattes 45 shades, guys, for £12. And I used a little something special that I got from the girls as a leave-in present as well. So stay tuned and you'll find out how I got this. I'm really getting like Disney villain vibes from this look right now. So yeah, I feel like I'm the one that poisoned Snow White. That's what I'm saying. Don't forget to follow me on my sister's blog. Don't forget to smash that like button, and you know what to do. Caress that subscribe button too. Maybe I shouldn't have said caress, that sounds a little bit weird. But yeah, drop a comment if you like it, if you like the look. And I'll be showing you how I got this look in 3, 2, 1. So the first colour I want to go into, I'm probably going to go into this colour here. They don't have names, guys, so you know. I want to go into this colour here, 1 and 2. Today I just want to do a nice easy look. I've had a busy week, to be honest, previously. So today, guys, I just want to do an easy look, and I'm just so excited to finally be able to use red lipstick, to be honest. But yeah, last week was really hectic. I finally started my new position. Sometimes it can be fun when you start something new, to be honest, because then you can like not re-establish yourself, but you can come as a new version of yourself and continue on that pace, because it's really hard to reinvent yourself with people that already know you and are used to you and have that familiarity with you. So you know, if you were to be in a managerial role, it's like, how would you be able to not be strict, but how would you be able to lay authority if they already know you as a jokester? So yeah, it's really nice to be someone new. But this morning, guys, I woke up to something. I saw a video at like 4 a.m. because don't ask me why I'm up at 4. Don't ask me why I was up at 4. But this morning, guys, I saw a video about Tory Lanez. I think I'm gonna go with this color now here. So I woke up seeing a video online. I thought this was, ooh. So the music video had Tory Lanez, and he was like doing his part in the song, recording his part in the song for the video, in the video. And as he was shooting the music video, it's like he had this beautiful chocolate melanated piece of trophy beside him. That's all I'm saying, because that's what she was. She was trophy. She was so beautifully like, she was just on point. She looked like Juju. If you haven't watched Love and Hip Hop New York, Juju, she reminded me of her when I saw her, like really chocolate dark skinned woman. And she was like the video vixen for that scene. And I believe the director cut the scene or like stopped the scene and switched her for like a more caramel looking girl with blonde hair, more, you know, the standard of beauty to some people, you know, the type of girls you normally see in the videos, in hip-hop videos. And he noticed that and paused it, stopped he said, time out, this is what you need, time out, and complimented the girl that they switched in, that they put in, complimented her, said, you're beautiful and everything, but like, why would you? It was then asking, like telling the director, can we have the girl that was here previously? Like, she's ready to start shooting with me. So, you know, but we can't really hear what he said. But yeah, so then they switched the girl for the beautiful chocolate girl again. Both of them were chocolate girls, to be honest. I believe one was just of a lighter shade, and the one that they tried to switch was of a darker shade. And yeah, he switched it and told them to keep the first girl, the chocolate girl. And I watched it, and the smile on the girl's face, obviously not because she was only booked and busy, but the smile on her face was like, yes, Tory, hello, thank you, sticking up for us out here. You know, it's not that easy. Some of you may know and may not know about colorism and all of that, but I don't think it only happens in the black community. I think, obviously, I'm part of the black community, so that I know when it happens within my people. But, you know, like within other communities, I know like there's skin bleaching that goes on in the Asian community as well. And within Indians, I know as well that, and Pakistanis, that some people do skin bleach. Like, I've done research on this shit because there was a time in my life when I was like so moved by this and very annoyed that people were skin bleaching that I just did this research and I did a whole like essay on it. And I don't think I even got a first. But then again, why am I even submitting that type of essay to a person that probably don't even understand what I'm talking about? But anyway, I digress. I'm digressing, right? Anyway, moving on. So yeah, the smile on her face, I was really happy. I was like, thank you, Tory. We finally got an uncle that is like, you know, like showing us that you guys see it too. Because, you know, sometimes when I watch videos that talk about colorism, the colorist like situations, it's like I see guys that don't really comment. I don't see guys, it's mainly women that will be commenting. So I'm like, guys, don't you go through this as well? Do you know what I mean? Like, you know when you're looking for the guys, like, excuse me, where are you? Let me just read to you what colorism is, and then I'll continue. So it says discrimination based on skin color, also known as colorism or shadism, is a form of prejudice or discrimination in which people are treated differently based on the social meanings attached to their skin color, tone, complexion, red, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I was like, yay, Uncle Tory, come through, protect, defend, you know. It was like really nice to actually see that. And then I didn't see that it possibly was all a publicity stunt. And that's not funny. I'm just saying, Uncle Tory, like, what are we doing? If it is, because I don't know, I weren't there. But I was watching, I think a YouTuber, Paris Milan, yeah, they recently just uploaded a video like just hours ago from me talking to you now. Ooh, I'm going with this. I want to go with this one. Maybe darken it here so then it brightens up the red. So yeah. So then I see that it could have possibly been a publicity stunt, and it's not funny. He got a lot of following and a lot of praise over this video. Like, yes, King. You know, now we're finally calling him a king, innit? Yes, King. Step up for your sisters, your queens, blah blah blah. Yeah, and to then find out it could have been a publicity stunt. It's like, okay, how low are we willing to go? Like, for this thing called fame, like, for this thing that could lead to money. Like, what are we doing? Like, you really, if this is, I'm just gonna throw it out, if this is, it's like, this is ridiculous. Like, where's your pride? Like, you really gonna do us like that? Like, apparently, allegedly, the model came out and said that it was all a publicity stunt. Like, it was all, you know, it was all hocus pocus up in there. Like, it's a lie, you know? And how that day, all he was doing was really complimenting the light skin girl. So it's like, what are we doing? Like, what are we doing, guys? Like, him doing that, it doesn't really offend me. To be honest, it doesn't even bother me. It's just, it makes me look at you like, not even with side eye. This is the whole eye turning up in there, looking at you like, One thing everyone should know is you should not play on people who are oppressed or any oppressed situation. You shouldn't try and profit off that. You shouldn't play on that. You shouldn't capitalize on it. You should bring attention to it in the right way and with an action that wants to follow it. Like, you need to like, come on, do you know what I mean? Like, if you're gonna bring to attention, like, and show that that was your action, like, you're trying to stop it, but really, all you're trying to do is make money, that's stupid. So, yeah, this palette is on point, guys. I'm liking it so far. I do want to use something different. Now, I might kill this look, or I might kill this look. But this is the Revolution, Makeup Revolution. It's just glitter. I got it as part of my leave-in gift, and I kind of really wanted to use it. I've been touching it, as you can see, it's been messed up. So I want to really go into the color Fire and use that red. Yeah, let's do it. But rolling off of this Tory Lanez thing, like, I hope it just sparks a conversation. That's my main thing. It's not really about if he did it for clout or not. It's more about let's let's have this conversation. Let's stop the ideology of, oh, lighter skin is this, darker skin is that, darker skin looks more ratchet, lighter skin, like, you know, when she's got that nice hair, light skin, like, oh, that's the type of girl I want. Like, I remember when me and my sister were young, and we just got Wi-Fi, you know, we weren't the richest, I'm just saying. We just got Wi-Fi recently, and we had a camera, we had a computer, and we were watching this YouTube video. I don't know if this resonates. I don't know if my sister remembers this, but I want to talk to her about this later. And these two black guys were talking on camera, and they did a video, but their video was in like black and white screen. Some people, black and white screen works for y'all. You're like, some of you guys look better in like night vision. I think that's what it was. Yeah. And they were talking about like, no, I'd rather light skin instead of dark skin. And I was like, what? Why is this a conversation? Like, why is this actually a debate right now? Like, either way, your ancestors were slaves, my friend. So what are we saying? Like, why do you prefer one over the other? Like, and everyone can have their preferences. I don't mind that. I do not mind preferences, but I don't like the bad stigma with one, and then, like, I don't like that one trumps the other at all. And these guys are really going in, and I didn't even feel a way about it. Like, I just felt like, okay. Like, I was like, wow, that's kind of, like, what am I? Like, I don't know what I am to people. Am I light? I don't know. And I was like, damn, like, okay. And then I saw another video with them in normal color, and I was like, but you guys are darker than dark. I was like, how are you discriminating and saying this and that about this and that? But you are, come on. Like, guys, we need to do better. That's what I'm saying. Do better. And know where you're wanted, Sharif, Uncle Sharif. I said in my last video, guys, you need to know that I don't think Love Island is for black people. Like, why do black people keep going on it? And Uncle Sharif, you've been out. You're dusted. Like, your time was come. Like, we could only have one of you in the village, sir. Anyway, let's go into fire, honey. I think I kind of want to do something that goes along here, but let's start with the inner corners first, because I've been talking, you know. I've been talking. Okay, so I want to put it in my tear duct. Okay, guys, so yeah. So off camera, I have done one eye. I think it looks very cute and dramatic, honey. I've used the glitter palette. I've used the red to go over here, and then I used the purple to end off, because I had to kill some time while my camera charged. So I'm going to show you how I did it. My main message today anyway though is just to love the skin you're in. Don't let anyone's like idea of the perfect beauty shape the way you feel about yourself. Like, you are perfectly being you. That's what I'm saying. You're doing you right, you're beautiful, and whatever anyone else's opinion of you and your skin complexion is, they can kiss your ass if it's negative. That's what I'm saying. They can kiss the darkest part of my black ass. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna do the purple glitter. And that's called Sparks, Jordan Sparks. Sparks, bitch. Sparks. So I just kind of dabbed it along here. Like, just do something. I find this one a bit harder to stick on. Oh, maybe because I didn't put the primer. That makes sense. So I went in with my red again, and I'm gonna press it back in here because I feel like I need it to match. And I put over the glitter as well because I feel like the glitter could be too much. Yeah, like I said, with the colorism stuff, like, obviously I don't know other cultures, and you can write in the comments the other things, like other places or nationalities and stuff that go through colorism, and we can discuss it. Like, for real, it's actually quite sad. Your complexion shouldn't stop you from getting any jobs. It shouldn't stop you from getting any bookings or anything. Like, if you're a model or anything, video girl, like, come on, like, it shouldn't stop you from cashing in that check, you know what I mean? You got rent to pay too, you know. Come on. Like, another thing I wanted to say about the glitter, you do not feel it on your skin. Like, when you blink, you don't feel like your skin is irritated or anything. So yeah, that's a good thing. It's kind of hard for it to stick, and when you do put it on, it kind of falls out too. So it's like a messy process, but this is giving me like, ooh, vibes. Like, ooh, who is this, like, Disney character? Yeah, it's very dark Disney character, to be honest. Like, I definitely gave Snow White that apple. I'm just saying, girl's looking cuter than me. I have to get rid of her. So I'm gonna finish up now and put my eyelashes on and eyeliner and everything, and I will be back in a jiffy. Okay, so most of my face is done. I haven't put my eyelashes on yet, but I want to highlight my face and I want to do it on camera and show you bitches. So I want to show you guys that I actually got the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlight palette. Now, I'm all about affordable makeup, and yes, this was quite it's a little bit pricey, but I got it 30% off in Harvey Nichols, so now it's like 29 something, and you get like 7 colors, guys. Oh yeah, yeah. I should have used the other color, man. I should have used this color, but I'll use it another time. So some of you guys, if you are following my blog, you would have seen the look that I actually did with this highlighter when I used it as a blusher, highlighter and eyeshadow. And some of you who are following my Instagram, you would have seen when I used it. I did record this look, but I didn't like it when I was looking at it on camera, and I was like, nah, it's looking a bit crazy, but it looked better in pictures. So yeah, follow me on Instagram, follow me on my blog. I'll put it down right about now. Yeah, you guys will see the look. It's like the one before this one, yeah. Ooh, baby, I love the way. Ooh, bitch. Bitch. This is it. Bitch, bitch, bitch. This is it. No one can tell me nothing when I have this on. And let me just now go into the eyelashes. So I'm going to use the Girls with Attitude. I got it from Savers. Remember, guys, I was talking about Savers being mom diggity. Girls with Attitude, it's called Mythical. So it's actually perfect with what I'm doing right now, because I really do feel like I'm doing a Disney villain look right now. Like, here's the final look, guys. I hope you like it. I've been wanting to do a red look for a long time, I think since I started this channel, and I finally got it, guys. I hope you like it. And yeah, guys, colorism is a real thing. And Uncle Tory, I hope it wasn't just a scandal what you just did. I hope you really was sticking up for someone and out being just a good person, you know. But yeah, guys, catch me in my next video, but don't forget to smash that like button, and you know what to do with that subscribe button too. Don't forget to follow my blog as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.